Alrighty guys, and we are off to the races. Let's go ahead and continue this part 2 of this garage cleanup makeover. The whole enchilada, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, here I am, I'm cleaning up the rest of the stuff. It just felt like it never ends. But thanks for clicking on the video. If you clicked on the video, thanks for clicking. If it's your second, third, fourth time coming back, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. But here I go, I'm cleaning stuff out. Here I am, it's some other day. I think I was off this day, or I got off early, and I got straight to business, taking cabinets out, powered up the power washer, hit it with some soap. And as you can see in the previous clip, I do have a dog, so I wanted to make sure these floors were minty clean, that they smelled good. If you have a dog, you know dog hair lives everywhere, in between every crack, every crevice, you name it. So here I am, I'm hitting it with some soap, and then I hit it with a I think it's called Simple Green for like pets. And it's got some sort of enzymes that just really helps the odors get neutralized, so you don't have that dog smell. My dog likes to spend a lot of time here in the garage, so I wanted to make sure this garage smelled good. So here I go, hitting it, moving this cabinet. That fridge, we actually got rid of it, so I'm glad, freed up some space, but sad to see it leave. Yeah, so I'm making sure I get all the little cracks, crevices, a lot of dog hair down at the bottom there of the wall where it meets the floor. And then here I am some other night, probably midnight or something. I'm making sure I'm finding the studs, because you know how many times I've used the stud finder and it tells me there's a stud, and I go to drill it, I make the hole, and whoop, I go right through. I hate that. There's nothing more tacky than just having a bunch of holes you having to patch up. So I really wanted to make sure there's a stud there, and I make the hole, and that's the first and last hole that I will make. So here I am. I'm trying to make sure I'm not too high and I'm not too low. I use that piece of cardboard just to kind of eyeball it, but I was actually off, so I had to bring it down just about a half an inch. Okay, making sure there's studs here, making sure there's studs. Can't preach this enough. Make sure, how does that saying go? Measure twice, cut once, same kind of thing. Okay, I think the speaker had died. All right, here we go. Let's get to it. Come on, you're taking forever. Let's go. All right. So I used little tiny nails just to kind of like put it in place. Put it in place. Make sure it looks good. Make sure it's leveled. Alrighty, here I go. I'm putting it. Boom. There we go. Open. Nice. So here you go. Installing the second bracket. Again, making sure it's leveled. Don't want it looking like it's off. It's got to be nice. It's got to be leveled. Okay, making sure there's a stud. And I think these cabinets hold up to 75 pounds. I'm never going to put that much amount of weight, but just making sure I do the job right. All right, here we go. I had to measure at least 100 times. Make sure it was leveled a trillion times. All right, let's get it. Let's get the impact. All right. Again, double check. Is it straight? Is it leveled? All right, hit it again. Alrighty, let's mount them. And there you have it, guys. Nice. Wasn't too bad of an install. Again, I would just recommend really double check your measurements. Don't do kind of what I did. I just freeballed it. But it turned out pretty well, I guess, right? Turned out pretty good. I just have some few marks that I did. I'm gonna touch up with some paint that I got for the garage, and everything's gonna be minty. It's gonna be looking clean. My next video, I'm just gonna pretty much put all the tools away, put everything back where they belong, kind of organize things, because like you might have seen my videos before, my whole garage was a mess. I had just crap everywhere. So next video is going to be me basically putting everything back in its place now that I have some cabinets. things are gonna look, starting to, you know, look a whole lot better. So thanks for watching. If you stuck around, again, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming, consecutive. But yeah, I mean, I just kind of do a little bit at a time here and there, day or night. But I'm glad I finally got these done. And again, thank you guys for watching. Till next time.